Are you still confused about what to choose and which is the best option for you related to CA, CS or CMA? No problem. Today I am going to help you to choose the best course for you based on your academic background, your aptitude and your interest. Hello guys, this is CA Lovely Bhagat and hope you all are doing well. Let us start with a video to choose the best option for you. While these three courses has many similarities among them related to syllabus, but still they are different. In order to pick the right course for you, first you need to understand that your interest related to the subject. And also you have to be mentally prepared that these courses have longer duration with longer training period and vast syllabus. If you are ready to hear all these things, then let us quickly check the details of the course. The main focus of CA course is finance, auditing and tax. The main focus of CMA course is cost and management accounting, and the main focus in CS are the company law and company secretary. At the end of the day, you need to have a clear idea about the primary focus in terms of what you want to study and what you want to accomplish by studying this course. A lot has to do with your aptitude and your interest. In order to pursue any of these courses, first you need to understand what these job positions entail and then go on to decide which one fits you and your personality. Let us first discuss about Chartered Accounting course. CAs are the professional accountant hired by companies or an individual to handle the financial operations of the company, such as financial auditing, filing of corporate tax returns, financial statement. All in one, they help in the financial requirement of the company. Also, CA can practice and choose any line of work in which they are expertise. In order to become CA in India, you need to clear CA Foundation, CA Intermediate course and CA Final course from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Next will be the scope of CA. After clearing CA, you can join the corporate world, you can join the banking sector or any industries or the government sector. You can work as a global accountant or you can join any education sector, or you can opt for higher studies also if you want to become a CA lecturer or professor. Next we will discuss about the CS course. A company secretary is responsible for the efficient administration in the company by ensuring that all its employees and boards are compliant with statutory, legal and regulatory requirements. And also he is responsible to ensure that all the board's decisions are successfully implemented in the company. Next we will check the scope of work of CS. He is appointed as a legal expert or compliance officer of the company. He is appointed as an expert in corporate laws, securities laws, capital market and corporate governance. He is appointed as a chief advisor to the board of directors as best practice for corporate governance. He is in charge of all regulatory compliance of company and also corporate planner and strategic management for a company. Overall, if you are good in theory papers or good in law or able to memorize the subjects very well, then you can opt for CS. In order to become CS in India, you have to clear CS Foundation, Executive and Professional courses from the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Next, we will discuss about the Cost and Management course. A CMA is responsible for the allocation, management and regulation of funds in the business. Overall, their responsibility is more related to the internal goings of the business and what steps to be taken in the organization. Now let us check about the scope of work of CMA. Nearly every industry needs cost accountant. Cost accountants are highly demanded whether it is a private sector or a public sector, banking sector or a government sector, finance sector or development agencies or any educational or research institutes. Some common job titles for CMAs are finance manager, financial analyst, financial controller, chief financial officer, finance director, senior financial analyst, chairman, managing director, chief executive officers. In order to become a successful CMA in India, you need to complete foundation, intermediate and final course from the Institute of Cost Accountant of India. I hope that I am able to help you to understand the difference of these courses, CA, CS and CMA. However, I would like you to suggest to visit the websites of these respective courses to get an in-depth knowledge about these courses. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. Till then, choose wisely your course